Okay, so this is comedy. Beep, beep. So I did a really light vlog, as you can see. But why did I say that? It's just gonna be a boring vlog.
Tapos na, gulo-gulo siya. Hindi alam, kasi yung mga gamit niya. Ay, Diyos ko. Hindi mo ayusin yung gamit niya. Ganyan siya. Tapos,
Okay.
ano bang kasama nito? Ganyan ako. Dapat, isang ano na.
Cars. Oh yeah.
Mga sobra.
Who's filming anything I see?
Saka yung bago sa PVC.
Saw a clown. Sign, not actual clown.
Isang packet na yun. Yun ang kinontak nila.
Okay, you cannot see me. See those sparks in my eyes are my glasses. See? Oh, no. Not that exciting vlog as I expected, but I'ma try to do stuff non-entertaining. And it goes first off with me sleeping. Just set this camera here.
Wala na yun. Ladies ko dito the best. So 30 lang pala ang participant. So, okay.
Kasi syempre, na-expect ng holdings, madami. Dahil pinagtrata ko na naman sila, di ba? Kaya nga, ano pa. Kaya nga ngayon, gusto niya magbigay ng planners. So, para maraming magpunta.
Tulog na kayo ha. Sabi ko, magpupunta sila, sunduin na lang nila ako. Hindi nila pupunta. Kasi si Katong sabi niya, oy, nagpapalit na ako. Sabi niya, nakakala ko ba sabay tayo.
Hindi siya pa pwede. Bukas. May lakad sila eh. Ng mga Dabar Toys.
Eh, ba't si Gemma? Pupunta. Kapatid siya.
Kasama siya. Ang Dabar Toys kasama siya. Cute sila yun.
Okay.
Chichi,
Do you guys know that I was really sleeping and that this edit was so cool that I skipped it? You know that, right? That edits go so pro. It's only like drizzling.
Okay, you dress up now and then
Mommy, can you bring my shoes, please?
yes. What?
Can you bring my shoes, please?
Okay, okay. Oh, you will take it. Oh, Jiro, yung mga laruan mo.
Bye.
And I guess like you